Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining exactly which keywords matter for your profile. Think roles, skills, tools, and outcomes. Make a quick list of 6 to 10 high-impact terms, then rank them by relevance. Once done, place your top 1 or 2 keywords in your headline and the first 2 lines of your About section so they're visible in previews. This boosts match signals. Make sure to include common abbreviations and synonyms to capture varied search behavior. Now you expand keywords through the profile. Integrate them into your About, each experience entry, and your skills list with natural phrasing. Explain how you used each skill and quantify impact. For example, include a percentage, dollar amount, or timeline to make keywords meaningful. Once you finish editing, request endorsements for 5 to 10 skills from colleagues and update media or project links that display keyword-rich evidence. This combination improves relevancy and credibility in searches. Finish by auditing how your profile appears in searches. Preview your headline and About to confirm keyword prominence, and ask a few recruiters to search relevant terms to see if you appear. If you don't show up, make incremental edits. Swap synonyms, tighten phrasing, and move a keyword closer to the top of a section. Troubleshooting tip: avoid keyword stuffing. If visibility drops after many edits, revert to the last version that matched searches and modify more conservatively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.